For more than 4 centuries, New River has been one of London's most important lifelines. Still operating today, this man-made aqueduct remains a vital asset, supplying water into the heart of the capital. To safeguard its future, Thames Water commissioned a major investment upgrade, ensuring it continues to serve generations to come. Working with main contractor Barhale, Ivor King installed over 1 kilometre of steel sheet piles, forming a new retaining wall to protect the watercourse. During the pre-construction stage, we helped develop a buildable solution customised to the constraints of the site. Although it wasn't a straightforward task. The narrow towpath couldn't support heavy plant. Site boundaries made access extremely restricted, and the work needed to be delivered with minimal disturbance to the neighbouring communities and wildlife. That's why our Giken Reaction Base system, or GRB for short, was selected. A state-of-the-art piling method, where all equipment travels on top of newly installed sheet piles. No need for temporary platforms, and no additional land footprint. Ideal for narrow sites, over water, or sloping ground. So how does the GRB process work? First, sheet piles are loaded onto the pile runner from the storage area. Next, the pile runner travels along the newly installed sheets to the installation zone. A 10-ton clamp crane lifts each pile from the runner and pitches it into the silent piler's chuck. The silent piler then presses each pile into the ground, using reaction force from previously installed piles. Once installed, the entire GRB system advances forward, ready to repeat the cycle. On this project, the silent piler operated in supercrush mode, augering the hard ground while pressing piles simultaneously, enabling installation down into the impermeable London clay. And because piles are pressed in without vibration, noise and disruption are kept to an absolute minimum. In total, Ivor King successfully installed more than 1,800 steel sheet piles, using sustainable eco-sheet pile sections from Arcelor Mittal. Serving civil engineering and construction since 1974. Whatever your piling project, we're your people.